I'm going to introduce the concept of selections. A selection in Photoshop is where you can select just a part of the image, and only that part that you select can be adjusted. So you can adjust one small section and the rest of the image is untouched. And as I demo this, it'll become more clear. Maybe the selection tool you'll use the most is right here, is this rectangular selection tool. It's the second one down. Just click and enable that. You'll get the crosshair. You can click, hold, and drag, which is called a marquee selection, because it looks like the marquee of an old theater. And in Photoshop, you see these little dashed lines appear to be moving. That's called marching ants. I'm not kidding about that. So inside the selection now, I can apply adjustments. I can paint in here, I can do whatever I want inside the selection, but outside the selection, the image will remain untouched. So just think like outside the selection is kind of like a no-fly zone. Let me demonstrate this with two things. Like if I choose the paintbrush tool, really huge paintbrush here, and I paint outside the selection, nothing happens. But if I go inside the selection, you can see that only inside the selection is the paintbrush tool available to me, which is really handy. That's a cool thing, because like I can demarcate where I want my paintbrush tool to be shown and so on. So let me just step backwards here. The other thing you can do that I just want to demonstrate, typically you wouldn't do this way. I just want to show you how this works with the selection tool. So I have the marching ants. I'm going to click Image, Adjustments, just like we did before, Brightness, Contrast. And not that I would do it this way, but I just check this out. If I increase the brightness, only the inside the selection is affected. Okay, so that's basically the use and how the selection tool works. Whatever you select inside the selection is available for editing. Everything else is untouched.